really, really need to understand the customer that you're going after. And sort of that obsessive focus on what is the customer, why do they need this product or service that I'm offering them, and then designing that product or that service to meet their needs is the first part of it, right? Like if the product doesn't solve a problem for a customer, it's never going to get anywhere. The second part of it is making it really, really easy to use. And I think that that's kind of some of the DNA that comes from my experience at Simple, which is if you can figure out how to take something that takes 5 taps on a mobile phone to do and then make it happen in 3 taps, suddenly guess what? A lot more people will do it when it's that much easier, right? And that's the same thing in terms of like API platforms. If you can get to the point where somebody can register on the sandbox, generate their keys, download an SDK or whatever, and then get their first API call and get that all done in 5 minutes rather than 25 minutes or an hour or weeks, then you'll see a lot more developers doing it and doing it a lot more quicker.
In my experience, the best way to drive API usage is having great docs. Developers spend most of their days being frustrated, debugging. I mean, really, most of their job is debugging. So the more you can take time back for them and let them just get their job done, the sooner they can do that, the happier they'll be. Docs is everything. Docs is the product. The number one thing is docs. Number two thing, have great content. You need to actually engage your developers, show them that you are a thought leader in this space, that you're thinking about their position, you have an empathetic view, but also that you're there to help them learn and become a better developer.
We launched the Open API about 6 months ago. We've created an engagement program for the community. We identified developers as our immediate target because we think if they buy in, then they're going to use it, but they're also going to recommend it. So we've done training, we've done some hackathons, we've done some sponsorships of their activities. But I think the most effective thing we've done is to collaborate with them. We identified one of the developers who is also running a local hub. And so with this developer, we've worked very closely to do documentation, to create libraries. We've done some training with him. And because he's well, recommended in a community of developers and he's very good at what he does, this has created buy-in from the community, and he is a great ambassador. And I think you need them to feel part of this, as if they are part of this, because then you are collaborating and not just throwing something at them.
Driving usage for us wasn't so much of a problem. We had an enormous demand, which was there. But in terms of engaging with developers, there are a few things that you need to get right. One, make it really easy to use. Okay, make it easy to understand. Provide it in the languages and platforms that your developer community want to use. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, make it cool. Because these are cool guys and cool ladies who are using it, and they want something that resonates with their way of working.